Right, welcome back to the channel. New video. I haven't done any videos last couple of weeks. I've just been that busy trying to keep up with everything. Mowers don't seem to be selling as early as quickly as they should be this time of year, but the weather's just not right yet. I've had a couple of sales, nothing major, but I've had a couple of good buys this week, so I'll just talk you through some of these buys. First one is this. I paid 100 quid for this. This is an £100 car. It's a Volvo S40. I used to have one of these years ago, and I knew a guy who had one, and I said, if you ever want to sell it, I'll have it off you. Anyway, he rang me the other day, yeah, I want to sell it. He was like, oh, I want 100 quid for it. I thought, 100 quid? I thought, I'll have that, no problem. So I went and got it. It's got 6 months MOT, I think, till October time. And I thought, right, I'll just go get it. Oh my days, this thing is hanging. No wonder he only wanted 100 quid. I was surprised when he said 100 quid. I nearly felt bad. I thought, oh, I'll give you more than that for it. And I thought, nah, I'll just leave him. That's what he asked for, so that's what I give him. Oh yeah, it doesn't even work. It's dreadful. He's been driving it around for months as well, so I thought, it can't be that bad. He's been using it. I drove it back from Llandudno yesterday. It's got no power whatsoever, so it's got turbo problems. I've checked the oil. There's oil all over the turbo. The brakes are shot. Doesn't even stop. You drive it, the wheel shakes like anything, and it is just minging inside. So yeah, look how dirty it is in here.
The back isn't that bad.
I'll take you for a spin. Right, so I'll take you for a spin in it. It is, oh, it's hanging. But, so on 147,000 miles, 2 litre diesel, starts fine. Starts absolutely fine. Most of the stuff works, but it is dreadful. This wheel goes like that when you try and slow down. It is horrible. My plan was I was going to just run it for the 6 months while the MOT was on it, and then just scrap it, you know, for the money that you wanted for it. But I don't even think it's going to go that far. I think it's just going to go in the scrapyard. It's absolutely dreadful. Shame though, because I used to like my Volvo, and I thought, oh, I'd love to get one, and they're hard to find now. They just don't seem to exist. But yeah, it doesn't do it when you're going slow. But if you watch this wheel now when I hit the brakes, see, it doesn't do it when it's going slow. But oh, you try driving it, you just get a pulse in the pedal. I think it's warped discs, to be honest. I priced up a set of discs for it yesterday. Not even worth bothering. It's going to be like a couple of 100 quid, and I'm thinking I don't really want to put a couple of 100 quid's worth of brakes on it for a couple of months, and because it's hanging and it's got no power. And it knocks. There's a knock on the front corner there. It feels like it's going to fall apart, to be honest. There you go, look, the wheel just shakes. But it does drive, and I would, like I say, I was tempted just to run it for the 6 months. So I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so this is one of my purchases that I've had this week. Let us know in the comments what you think I should do with it. I'm not going to scrap it just yet. Do I bother? Do I put it back on the road and spend a bit on it, use it for the 6 months, or do I just, I don't know, take it down the beach, ruin it, and then put it in the scrapyard and get 100 quid profit out of it? It's worth a couple of 100 quid in the scrapyard, so I'm not bothered. I'm just a bit like, I wanted it to be good, you know. Yeah, so that's the Volvo. I'll give you a little walk around it anyway now, and oh, it's hanging. Dreadful to drive. Right, I will show you my other purchases now as well. I've got a Tisia 124D ride-on mower, high tip, commercial, one owner from new, come from wealthy estate. It's only ever had one man using it, and it is in like mint condition. 1300 hours, 2007. And I also picked up a Toro zero turn domestic use mower as well yesterday. So I'll quickly give you a walk around them now as well. But this thing, I don't know what to do with it yet. Let us know in the comments what you think I should do. Do I keep it, or do I just run it to the scrapyard, or strip it for parts, or I don't know. I'll do something with it, but I don't know what. Right, let's go and show you this Atisia. Right, this is me Atisia mower, 124D commercial, high tip, so it goes all the way up, tips itself out. There's a skip over there. I was tipping into that the other day just to see if it'd tip into a skip. I've got a video of it, I'll put that in. Yeah, comes with a deflector, tow ball, 4-wheel drive, front linkage, and it's mint, immaculate. But it's here at the house, overspill, run out of room in the unit, so I'm down here at the minute because I'm full up down there. Yeah, so that's that. And then this is my little Toro zero turn I picked up yesterday. That's going to be gone over, checked over today, hopefully, if I get time. Wash it, clean it, service it, put it up for sale. Yeah, so it's tidy, basic one though. It's one of the smallest ones they do, but it's Toro. Everyone loves a Toro in the mower game, and it's zero turn. Right, so yeah, what to do with me Volvo? That's what my big question is. I don't know what to do with me Volvo. Just going to be a short video today, and hopefully I'll have a bit more filming done next week. But yeah, put in the comments what you think I should do with me Volvo. Do I keep it? Do I run it into the ground, or do I just scrap it? You know. Right, so catch you on the next one.